Hello, how are you today everyone? In today's video, I'm going to give you the answer for this question, and the question is the quote, Mr. Gorbachev tear down this wall referred to a wall in what country? Well, I'll give you a list of the option, and here is a list of the option. The very first option is China, the second option is Mexico, the third option is Russia, and the very last option is Germany, and the correct answer for the question is Germany. So that is correct answer for the question, Germany, and here's the reason why Germany is the correct answer for the question. The quote, Mr. Gorbachev tear down this wall, referred to a wall in Germany, not China, not Mexico, nor Russia. Specifically, this famous statement was made by US President Ronald Reagan in a speech delivered on June 12, 1987 at the Brandenburg Gate in West Berlin, Germany. The wall in question was the Berlin Wall, a heavily fortified barrier that divided East and West Berlin during the Cold War, separating communist East Germany from democratic West Germany. Reagan's impassioned plea to Soviet leader Mikhail Gorbachev symbolized the call for the reunification of Germany in the end of the oppressive division enforced by the Berlin Wall. While walls exist in other countries for various reasons, this historic quote specifically addressed the Berlin Wall in Germany and its significance in the context of the Cold War. So that is the correct answer for the question. Yeah, Germany, Deutschland. Hi, thank you so much for watching this video. If you find this video is very useful, you can help this channel to grow by subscribing this channel. Please this subscribe button and don't forget to like this video. And if you find this video is not really good, or you don't really like this video, or you kind of feel that it's a little bit offensive or something like that, you can click this one, dislike button. You can do that anyway. And if you want to share this video with your friend, you can share it by clicking this share button, and you can share it to any social media that you wish that is currently available at this time, like Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, and many others, right? And if you want to add this video to your playlist, you can click this one. You can watch this video later, and you can find more options by clicking these three dots. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe. I think that's all of it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and see you again in another video. Bye bye. See you again.